How to fix network cable unplugged error in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix your network cable unplugged error in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your network section under your control center. So here you need to find the network, right click on it and go with troubleshoot options or troubleshoot problems. Once you click on troubleshoot, it will run the troubleshooter, and after a few minutes you can apply the fix and your problem might be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then you need to again go with your network, right click on it, go with open network and internet settings, and it will open up your settings. Now you need to scroll down and you can go with advanced network settings, and here if you scroll down you will have reset option, network reset. Just click on network reset and click on reset now, and after resetting your network your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then your last solution is you can just simply open up your control panel. So search for control panel, and here you need to go with network option, go with network and sharing center, click on change adapter settings switches here on the left side, and select the Ethernet option and right click on it, and if it is disabled you just need to simply go and enable it. After enabling you need to go with properties, and under properties you need to select driver option. You will have driver, you can go with update driver, or you can go with internet protocol version 4 and then go with properties, and here you need to use this following DNS server address, and after that go with OK and close, and your problem will be fixed. Now you can restart your device, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.